Let me clarify something here. Sleep doesn't look the same for everyone. Ayurveda describes 3 constitutional patterns, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And each one shapes how you fall asleep and how you wake. If Vata is strong for you, sleep tends to be light. You may wake around 2, 3 or 4 a.m. It's subtle. Your body feels tired, but your mind is quietly alert, not anxious about something specific, just not settled. Maybe you replay conversations. Maybe you think about tomorrow. Maybe you just lie there aware. Vata is light and mobile, so your sleep becomes also light and mobile. What helps? Earlier bedtime, even around 9 p.m., warmth, heaviness of blankets, containment. Free writing before bed is powerful here, just emptying the mind onto paper. Your body isn't failing you, your body is communicating. Now, if you're more Pitta, it's different. You don't lie awake worrying, you lie awake organizing, improving tomorrow's plan, replaying conversations as well, thinking, if I just finish this properly, I'll relax. There's a quiet pressure there, not from anyone else, just from yourself. And the interesting part is, after 10 p.m., Pitta energy rises again in the atmosphere. So if you push past that natural window, you get a second wind. Suddenly you're alert, productive, clear. You think, oh, I can just quickly do this. And now it's midnight. This is something I see again and again. And more importantly, I know that from my own experience all too well. The lesson here isn't better time management, it's permission. Not everything needs to be finished before bed. Write tomorrow's list. Separate must-dos, nice-to-dos. Close the notebook, signal of completion. A simple structure is more supportive than endless flexibility. Kapha types usually fall asleep easily. Sleep is deep and sound, but the challenge can be oversleeping. If Kapha dominates, aim to wake before 6 a.m. Use the light mobile quality of the early morning. And interestingly, Kapha benefits from completing tasks during the day and not postponing them. So every dosha has a rhythm. And if you haven't yet explored yours, I recommend reading my blog post, How Each Dosha Responds to Stress and How to Find Balance. Because sleep and stress are intertwined.